Hey there, Quadratics Made Easy here, and today I'll be talking and discussing about and solving about a problem which is related to quadratics, and it involves area. So let's look at it. The question is, the area of a rectangular field is equal to 300 square meters, and the perimeter is equal to 70 meters. So find the length and the width of this field rectangle. So we are given the area of the rectangular field, we're given the perimeter of the rectangular field, and we are to find the area. So let us look at our little diagram there. So this may be the rectangular field, this is the length, and this is the width, L and W, and this is the area, which is 300 meters. Let us write our let statements. Let length of field equals L. Let width of field equals W. L meters, W meters. Units are always important. And the area of field equals L into W, which is 300 meters square. This is already given information. This is what's given in the question. And now we have to look at the perimeter. The perimeter of the field, which is L plus W plus W equals 70 meters. This is also given information. Let us evaluate that to something more simple. 2L plus 2W equals 70 meters, which leads us to taking 2 common. L plus W equals 70 meters, which leads us to L plus W equals 35 meters. As I divided both sides by 2, which will lead us to the conclusion that 35 minus W meters equals the length. So there is a difference of 35 between the length and the width. Now let us plug that new value of L into this, the area equation for the area, L into W. So now instead of handling 2 variables, we'll have just 1 variable, and it will be much easier to handle. So their area equals L into W equals 300. That is 35 minus W into W equals 300. That is 35W minus W square equals 300. Now we're going to have to move all the terms to one side and keep 0 on one side. That will be done for our convenience. We have to make sure the a value, that is the coefficient of the square term, has to be a positive number. So we're going to move W to this side, and so are we going to do with 35. Oh, there's a W there. This will be 35W. Alright. That leaves us with 0 equals W squared negative 35W plus 300. So that is our quadratic equation. Now let us factor that. So this is a positive. So to make a positive, we're going to have to multiply 2 negatives. So W negative something into W negative something. Now we're going to have to find what goes in these empty spots. 35 equals 15, and 20 is 15 plus 20, and 15 into 20 equals 300. So we could say negative 15 and negative 20. So W minus 15 and W minus 20 equals 0. That is the factored form of this quadratic equation. That leads us to 2. Therefore, W equals 15 or 20. It can be 15, it can be 20. As we take this part as 0, then we move the 15 over, and it gets W equals 15. We also do the same with this part, with this factor, and it gives us W equals 20. Now let us find our L. So we're going to have two cases here. Let's divide that a little bit. So if W equals 15, therefore L equals 35 minus 15, which is 20. 15, 20. Alright? And over here, if W equals 20, L equals 35 minus 15, which is, 35 minus 20, which is 15. So, here we have two different solutions to this problem. One says W equals 15 and L equals 20. And one says W equals 20 and L equals 15. But we're going to go with this one because generally length is longer than width. And over here the length is longer than width. So this is our answer. Therefore, the answer is the length is 20 meters and the width is 15 meters. So that is our solution to this problem. Thank you.